Here we have, for the following AP, write the first term A and the common difference D. Okay, now the first one is given 4, first term, second term is 1, third term is -2, and fourth term is -5. Now in this given AP, what is the first term? A is 4. Common difference you can find the difference between any two consecutive terms. If you let us find difference between the second minus the first one, second term minus first one, second term is 1 minus the first, which is 4, you'll get -3. Okay, the first term is 4 and the common difference A is 4 and common difference is -3. Same thing you will do with this number 2 also. The first term is 1/3, common difference is second term minus first term. Second term is 4/3 minus first term is 1/3. Now LCM between 3 and 3 is 3. 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 multiply 4 is 4. Minus 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 multiply 1 is 1. Now 4 minus 1 is how much? 3/3, which is 1. The common difference here is 1. In number 3, for the given AP, -5, second -1, third is 3, fourth is 7. Here the A is the first term, which is -5, and the common difference D is second term minus first term. Second term is -1, first term is -5. See, -1 minus the first term is -5. Okay, and here minus with minus is plus. -1 plus 5, plus minus is -5 minus 1 is 4, with sign is greater is plus sign, therefore you will get 4 as the common difference. Okay, and very simple. You just take the first term and common difference, and that is the difference between any two consecutive terms. Number 4, for the given AP, first is 0.6, second 2.7, third is 4.8, fourth is 6.9. Here the first term is 0.6, therefore A is 0.6. Now the common difference, second term minus first term. Second term is 2.7 minus 0.6. Now see, here I have given it 2.7 minus 0.6. See how you'll put them, you'll subtract them. This point you arrange this decimal value you arrange in the same line. Okay, 0.7, 0.6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. This is decimal, is point. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then you keep this decimal point, and 2 minus 0 is 2. That means the difference between these two is 2.1. Okay, hence the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 2.1. Okay, now we come to the next, number 3. Find the first term find the first term and common difference. Is not of, find the first term and the common difference of the AP and write the next two terms. Okay, now in this given progression of this number, the given AP is 50, first term 58, second term, third term 66, fourth term is 74. Okay, this is only given to be the AP, and here the first term is how much? It is 50. Common difference between any two, 58 minus 50, it is 8. Okay, now as we have done in the previous number also, previous problem, difference between any two consecutive term is the common difference. Here second minus the first term, 50 minus 50, it is 8. Now with the next two term, after 74, if you add with 8, you will get the next of 74. You just have to add this term with 8, because the common difference, see, 50, the next term is 50 plus 8, 58. The next term is 58 plus 8, 66. The next term is 66 plus 8, 74. What will be next of 74? 74 plus 8, 82. What is next of 82? 82 plus 8 is 90. Simple as that. Okay. Here you go on adding by common difference. 50 plus 8 common difference 58. Then in this between the first, second, third, fourth, fifth term, this term, the starting term, you can easily find out by adding with the common difference. But if the number of term is higher, you cannot go on adding like that, because it will take more time. We'll use a formula for finding the terms if the number of terms is more. But usually for this for the first few terms, you can easily add common difference with the last term to get the next term. 74 plus 8 is 82. Then next of 82 with 82 plus 8, this is 90. Or you can use with the formula also. We have which term we have to find out, next two term. Okay, now this is first term, second, third, fourth. Okay, now we have to find the fifth term. Fifth term, the n is given by this a plus, we have to find the fifth, you put 4d. If you have to find the sixth, you put with 5d. That means here actually the formula is the nth term is a plus n minus 1d. That means if you find the fifth, here you have to write the 4. Okay, we'll be discussing with this formula in the next problem, I think. But here you can simply use what this method. It will be easy for you. 74, you noted common difference 8. 74 plus 8 is 82. Then 82, the next term will be 82 plus 8 is 90. This will be easier for you, but you can use with this also to find the terms of an AP by this formula. AN is called A plus N minus 1D. This formula you have to remember is very important formula to find the term of an AP. Okay, now here as we are finding the fifth term, A5 will be A plus 5 minus 1D. 5 minus 1 is 4d, isn't it? We are using with this formula for find out the term. But as I've told you earlier, that for the first few terms you can no need to remember this formula. You can simply add common difference to the last term to get the next term. Now with the number 2, here I'll be using with this formula. Okay, the given AP is this one, 75, 68, 61, 54. Here the first term is 75. Now D is how much? Difference between any two term. 68 minus 75, it is minus 7. Okay, because minus is greater, 75 is greater, you will getting minus 7. Now using with this formula, AN is called A plus N minus 1D. We have the fifth term, mean N is equal to 5. A is 75. N, we are finding the fifth term, that means N will be 5 minus 1 D. D is how much? Minus 7. Okay, 75 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 multiply minus 7. Plus minus is minus, 4 multiply 7, 28. 4 multiply 7 is 28. 75 minus 28 is 47. And the sixth term also, instead of N, we are putting 6. 6 minus 1 multiply 7. That means 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 multiply 7 plus minus minus, you get minus 35. 75 minus 35 is 40. Okay, if you are using this, it will go a long way like this. But if you are using with because we know the fourth term is how much? Fourth term is 54. Now the fifth term will be 54 plus common difference, which is D. plus of d is minus 7 will be 54 minus 7, which is 47, and 6 term is 47 plus the fifth term plus d, that means 47 plus d is minus 7 plus minus minus 47 minus 7 is 40. See, we are getting same. Fifth term is 47, here also we are getting 47. Sixth term is 40, here also we are getting 40. But you see here the solution I've given to you. It will be easy for you if you use directly, isn't it? For the fifth term, once you know the fourth term, you just add with the common difference, you will get the fifth term. To get the sixth term, you add the fifth term with common difference, you will get the sixth term. Okay, no need to go for this, no need to go for it, because it will be lengthy for you to solve. Just go as the first one I've shown you. Just find the common difference, and then you write the fifth term to be like in this way, and the sixth term to be in this way. Just add with the common difference. Okay, you can either choose this one or this one, but I think this will be better for you because it's easy for you to do it. Okay, now we have come to the end of this part 7, and I hope you are clear with this. If you are not clear, then you just go again, you start again from the beginning and listen again the video until you are clear with this. Okay, for the time being, we'll stop it here.